As the seasons turn and life evolves, art breathes new life into every moment. Experience 4 Seasons, a breathtaking spectacle where art, music, and dance intertwine with love at every step. From captivating Europe, this extraordinary journey now enchants audiences across America. IFLC harmonizes the universal language of love and culture through the power of art. Embarking on a thrilling world tour, art transcends boundaries to grace America. Don't miss this extraordinary cultural odyssey. A symphony of life, ever-changing, ever-transforming. IFLC unites global youth through the universal language of art. 4 Seasons, united on one stage, where cultures converge, boundaries dissolve, and art claims its rightful spotlight. Now sweeping across North America, IFLC proudly presents 4 Seasons.